Hi, let's make a tunnel card of a swan in a lake. This tunnel card is a handmade card and do it yourself. Welcome to my channel Versova Hobbies. To make this beautiful card, you will require two A4 size papers and printouts on 2 pages. PVA glue, paper cutter, empty or dried out ballpoint pen, ruler scale, scissor, tweezer or forceps and specs if you need it. We will begin with scoring out all the fold lines with the help of a dried up or empty ballpoint pen. If we are not sure whether we have scored the fold line or not, we can rub our finger over the fold line, and if we feel the groove means we have scored the line. With the help of a paper cutter or a scissor, we will cut out all the cut lines. The paper cutter and the scissor, though very useful tools, have sharp edges. So we have to take extra precaution while using these two tools. We have to be extra cautious when children are around because they might get hold of it and might injure themselves or someone. Whenever I start to make any pop-up card or a tunnel card, the first thing I do is score out all the fold lines. Scoring the fold line is a very important step because after you have cut the card, you will be bending it. So when you have scored it, it becomes very easy to fold the lines. You just have to twist the paper and the paper will automatically bend along the score lines, giving you a very sharp and clear edge. After cutting all the cut lines, we will fold the paper along the fold lines. We can use a blunt, smooth piece of plastic to give a sharp crease. We'll apply glue on the tabs, one tab at a time, and paste them. Choice of glue is very important. It shouldn't warp the page and at the same time it should be quick to dry. The tweezers, also called as forceps, becomes very handy when we are trying to paste a tab which is not easily accessible by hand or by fingers, or it becomes very difficult to press it with fingers. You must have noticed that I always manually cut all the lines. It's because I don't own any Cameo or Silhouette or other cutting machines, so I don't have any SVG files. The word rare is written on the back side of the page. The word's front side is written at the bottom of the box. So we have to ensure that the words front and rare are at the bottom of the box. So when we attach the back side to the box, the words rare and front will be facing each other. Now we will prepare layer 1, layer 2 and the separators or dividers. First we will score out all the fold lines with the help of a scale and an empty ballpoint pen. You must have noticed that I have taken an A4 size copier paper and another A4 size paper of around 120 GSM. If you directly take out the print on the main card, the print lines, instructions, these will be visible on your main card. But if you take out a print on a copier paper and attach it to the main card with the help of either glue or masking tape, you will be able to avoid all the print lines on the main card. For the box, I had taken the printout directly on our main page, and for the layers 1 and 2 and also for the dividers, I have taken the printout on a copier paper and not on the main page, so as to explain both the methods. It's not a hard and fast idea that the first page should be taken out directly on the main page and the second one on a copier page and then paste it or attach it to the main card. You can use any of the methods. I just wanted to show that any one of the method can be used. For any help, guidance, suggestion or query, please feel free to email me at versovahobbies@gmail.com. You can also mention it in the comments below. These rectangular pieces are our dividers. We'll be using the bottom layer of the page because that is our main card, and the upper is a printout page, so we can safely discard them. Since layer 1 and layer 2 are printed on the upper page, which is the printout page, and we'll be using the bottom page, which is the main page, hence I'll write 1 as layer 1 and 2 as layer 2 on the main pages. If you will closely look at the dividers, you will see that one edge is tapered. This is our tab, and we will apply glue here. We'll apply glue on this tab and paste it. There are 6 dividers, or we can even call them separators. So these dividers separators are 6 in numbers, 3 for each layer. A humble request, kindly don't ask for any free templates. Whenever I want to give any free template, I'll mention it in the description box or in the title, please. Now we will paste the separators. We'll paste 3 separators or dividers to each layer. While pasting the separators, care should be taken that the separator should be pasted on the other side, means where we had written 1 as layer 1 and 2 as layer 2, no, not on that side. We will paste the separators on the opposite side. We will apply glue to the separators so that when we will place it into the box, it won't shift and will maintain its position. First we will place layer 1 and then we will place layer 2 into the box. We have to ensure proper sequence and direction while placing the layers, otherwise the scenery won't match. We'll paste the back portion just like we close the lid on a box. Congratulations! Our tunnel card of a swan in a lake is ready for display. Well, it has come out very beautiful. This tunnel card is very easy to make and very quite simple also, and at the most it takes 1 hour to make. Handmade cards are always appreciated and adored by all. Hope this video has motivated you in making one yourself. And as per always, thanks for watching with interest.